guys, my name is Julia. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all. And of course we're talking about crypto. I've been away from YouTube for 7 days, but I'm back and I'm here and I'm going to film videos for you 2 times per week, so subscribe for my channel and stay tuned. A little bit later I'm going to tell you exact days and exact time when I'm going to upload my videos so you can be posted. And right now I'm in UK. I'm enjoying my best life right here because I'm really happy and I'm so amazed by this country. I love it. So everyone who is in UK, comment below and say that you are here. Maybe we will have a small meetup or something. So in today's video I'm going to tell you and reveal to you my crypto portfolio. I'm going to say which coin I bought. I'm going to tell you how it's fluctuating during all this time, what performing the best and what performing worse, and I'm going to show you price right now, and at the end stay tuned because I'm going to share with you one altcoin I'm going to buy. If you remember my previous video about 5 best altcoins of August 2021 and you listened to my recommendation and advice and you bought these coins, you must be so happy right now because I've been talking about these coins, and after that immediately I bought 2 of them. I bought Solana and I'm so happy about I did it because price went up a lot, and if you are going to make some profit from these coins, you can do it, and I already did, but I didn't cash out it because it's long-term investment, and maybe I will do it later because this coin has high potential and I believe in it. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is back to normal price. Right now it's around $47,000, and we're going to talk about it a little bit later when I'm going to show you charts in my portfolio. So let's go, guys. Okay guys, let's go to CoinMarketCap and we're going to see my portfolios and my coins here. So as you can see in my portfolio, I'm having Ethereum, Pancakeswap, Bitcoin, Solana and Chainlink, and I'm so happy about my portfolio. I'm going to add more coins. I'm going to tell you which one I would like to buy this month, and let's look at the best performer. It's Ethereum, of course. I'm going to explain you why when we will go to look closely at the Ethereum, and worst performer it's Bitcoin, and I also will explain you why. So let's go to Ethereum. As you can see, price right now it's 3,120, and price when I bought it was 1,800. That's why it's the best performer, because I bought Ethereum when price was really low and now it went up twice, so that's why it's performing the best. Let's go to look at the chart, and here we're choosing 1 year. So the best price was on May and price was 4,200, and as you can see then it's dropped to 2,000, and then it's fluctuating between 2,000 till even 1,700, and now it's coming back to normal. It's coming back slowly to 4,000. Maybe it will hit the best price soon, but right now price is 3,100. So let's look at Pancakeswap. It's one of my best coins. Look at that, guys. I bought it when price was around 15. Actually it was 14.77 or something, and now it's 25. It's went up a lot. Let's go to Pancakeswap and see charts. Let's choose 1 year, and here you can see that before it was even $40, and I really believe now it's going up again to this price. Every day price is increasing every day. I took my profit already 4 or 5 times from Pancake, and my profit is around $5,000 already. Even I invested $6,000. Now I took my profit $5,000. I still have this $6,000, which helps me to get my profit, which is increasing. Guys, let's go to Bitcoin, and as you see price right now 47,000. I bought Bitcoin when price was around 50 or even $55,000. I don't remember. That's why now it's worse performer. Not because Bitcoin it's doing really bad. It's because I bought when price was really high, but it doesn't matter because I'm not going to do anything about Bitcoin. I'm not going to take my profit. I'm not going to sell it. It's long-term investment, so it really doesn't matter when you are buying it. Even if you will buy it right now, it's $47,000, and people are predicting that Bitcoin will go to $100,000 and even more, so it really doesn't matter. You can buy your Bitcoin anytime. I don't regret that I bought it at that high price. That price was $55,000. I'm waiting patiently. I believe in Bitcoin, so I know I'll get a lot of profit in future. Let's talk about Solana. If you bought this coin when I told you in my previous video about 5 best altcoins, you must be so happy. The price when I bought it was $35. Now it's 83. It's performing really good. I've got a lot of profit, but I didn't cash out this profit because I'm waiting for more. And for me, Solana is long-term investment. I'm not going to do anything about it. I'm not going to sell it. The same as with Bitcoin. So let's look closely at the price, and as you can see, previous all-time high was $54, and I told you about it before. So when price was around 30-35, it was really perfect moment to buy it. Now I'm thinking that maybe it's a little bit too late to invest in this coin because price is really high. I would like, if I will be you, I would wait a little bit more when price will drop again, so it will be good opportunity for you to buy this coin. But now it's 83. It broke previous all-time high. So really all people who bought Solana, they're crazy, insanely happy about this coin and how this coin performing. Let's look at the last one, Chainlink really doing neutral. Let's look at 1 month because I bought it 1 month ago. So price is fluctuating between the same amount of numbers. It's 24, 27. On August 16 price was 30. But it's not a big difference because it's dropping to 24 again. It's going up to 28, and now price is 24, so it's not doing really big difference. So maybe it's having high potential, but a little bit later, because for now in 1 month there is no big change in price with Chainlink. Also price pretty the same because I bought Chainlink when it was $24, and now it's 24, so it's the same. It's just fluctuating between these numbers. And as I promised to you before, I'm going to show you coin which I'm going to buy next, because this coin has the same potential as Solana, I believe. So this coin is Polkadot. Now price is $24, the same as Chainlink, but chart is really different. Let's look at the chart of 1 year. So the best performance was around $46, as you can see it, and now it's half of price. It's went down by half, and now it's going up again. So I really believe this coin has high potential, and you really need to look closely at this coin, so maybe you can buy it and you will be in the same profit as if you will buy Solana. So one more thing about Cardano, other coin. I really regret I didn't buy it before, because I was about to buy it when something went wrong and I just didn't do it. So now I'm waiting when price will go down a little bit, and it will be good opportunity for me to buy this coin, because I believe in this coin and I want it to be in my portfolio. So I'm going to get it, but in a more convenient time. So that was my portfolio, guys. I believe you enjoyed the video. Information was quite helpful and convenient for you, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much.